স্পোকেন ইংলিশ শিখতে যাচ্ছেন অথচ প্র্যাকটিস করবেন না, রিয়েল লাইফ সিমুলেশন করবেন না, তাহলে কখনোই স্পোকেন ইংলিশ শিখতে পারবেন না। চলুন দেখে আসি বেস ক্যাম্পে কিভাবে স্টুডেন্টরা তাদের রিয়েল লাইফে প্র্যাকটিসটা করছে বেস ক্যাম্পের ভিতরেই।
Hey there, are you new here? I haven't seen you before.
Yes, I'm new here.
I'm Raf. Nice to meet with you.
This is 𝐁𝐚𝐬𝐜.
So, what are you doing here?
I just got admitted into the university for my post-graduation and I'm doing my MBA over here on international business. Can you understand my English?
Yes,
I'm still learning though. I'm sorry to stop you in the middle of the conversation.
Yeah, I understand your language and you are very loud and clear. So have you met anyone?
Not yet, no one. You are the first guy who I'm having a conversation with.
Oh, nice. So, would you like to go for a coffee with me? And there will be my friends as well.
It would be great to meet new friends, new people, because I'm new here. And are you a teacher or a student over here?
Oh, I'm also a student.
Okay, then two students just got to meet each other, so it's great to have a meetup.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, but another thing I forgot to ask you, where are you from actually? Are you from here or somewhere else?
No, I'm from Bangladesh.
You're from Bangladesh? Do you see that the weather over here is a bit cold? Is it cold in your country also?
No, my country is very warm.
Okay.
But here in the UK, it's also very cold, but it's going to be warm during the summer.
Okay, it's good to know that the weather is not going to be cold like this all over the year.
Yeah, it's not going to be as
Okay,
cold.
let's get there and meet your new friends.
Let's go. Hi, are you new here? I haven't seen you.
Yes, I'm new here. I just arrived yesterday.
I'm Raf. Nice to meet with you.
Nice to meet you. I hope you can understand my English. I'm still learning.
Yes, I can understand your English. You are very clear. So, have you met? What are you doing here?
I'm doing my MSc in biology.
Oh, great. I'm also doing my MSc. Have you met anyone?
No, just my teacher.
Oh, would you like to have some coffee with me and meet with my friends? I know they will love you.
Oh, that will be great. That would be very nice. Thank you.
Mention not. So, where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. I think it's very cold in the UK.
Yeah, the weather is cold, but it's going to be warmer in the summer. Let's meet my friends.
Let's go.
Hello, are you new here? I've not seen you before.
Yeah, I'm new here. I just come here yesterday.
Alright, I'm Cynthia. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Nida. Nice to meet you too. I think you can understand my English. I'm still learning.
Yeah, I can understand you. You speaking very clearly. What are you doing here?
I'm doing my MSc in biology. I'm live here for 1 or 2 years.
Oh, great. I'm also studying for an MSc. Have you met anyone else yet?
No, just one of my teacher.
You want to come and have some coffee? I'm going to meet with my friends. They would love to meet you.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Don't mention it. Where do you come from?
I'm from Thailand. I think it's very cold in the UK today.
Yes, it is cold here, but the weather will get warmer in summer. Let's go and meet my friends.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, are you new here? I have not seen you before.
Hi. Yes, I'm a new student. I just arrived yesterday.
I'm Tarin. It's nice to meet you.
My name is Mahabub. I hope you can understand my English. I am still learning.
Yes, I can understand you. You English very clearly. What are you doing here?
I am studying for MSc in agribusiness. I will be here for 1 or 2 years.
Great. I'm also studying for an MSc. Have you met anyone else yet?
No, just my teacher.
Do you want to come and have some coffee with me? I am going to meet my friends. They would love to meet you.
That would be great. Thank you.
Don't mention it. Where do you come from?
I am from Thailand. I think it is very cold in the UK.
Yes, it is cold, but the weather will get warmer in the summer. Let's go to meet my friends.
Hi, how are you? I have not seen you before.
Hi, yes, I am a new student. I will arrive yesterday.
Okay, I am Anwarul. It's nice to meet you.
I am Laiju. I hope you understand my English. I will still learning.
Yes, I can understand your English. You speak very clearly. So, what are you doing here?
I'm a student at MSc Biology. I will 1 and 2 in the 2 years.
Okay, I'm also studying for an MSc program. So, have you met someone else before?
No, just my teacher.
Okay, do you want to have some coffee with me? I would like to meet my friends and they would love to meet you.
That's great, thank you.
You don't mention it. Where do you come from?
I'm from Bangladesh. I think it's very cold in UK.
Yes, it is cold, but it will get warmer in the summer. Let's go and meet my friends.
সো দেখলেন তো আমাদের স্টুডেন্টরা কিভাবে বেস ক্যাম্পের ভিতরেই প্র্যাকটিস করছে, বিভিন্ন সিচুয়েশনে কথা বলছে এবং পেয়ার প্র্যাকটিসের মাধ্যমে তারা হয়ে উঠছে আরও বেশি কনফিডেন্ট। আপনিও যদি আমাদের স্টুডেন্টের মতো ফেয়ারলেসলি কনফিডেন্টলি ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে চান, চলে আসুন পেস ক্যাম্পে, কারণ আপনার সফলতার শুরু এখানেই।